Alright, now let us go to the next question. Number 3, simplify the following algebraic expression. Okay, number 3, number 8. So what does the question says? Simplify the following. So whatever we have, what we have here? Relation, multiplication, minus, then here multiplication. So whatever is indicated here, we have to follow that expressions and continue. Okay, so here we have relation is multiply, right? So we will have to multiply this one like this: 5ab into a plus into minus minus 5ab into 1. Okay, next minus into plus is a minus 5a square into b, minus into minus is your plus 5a square into c. Okay, here we have what? Multiplication. Okay, so 5a square into b minus plus 5a square into c, like that. Am I clear? Just keep it in bracket, that looks very good. Okay, so 5 into 1, 5, a into a square b, minus 5ab into 1, 5ab, minus 5a square into b, so 5a square b, plus 5a square into c, 5a square c. So that's very simple. Can we do anything any further here? We cannot do. Nothing is similar. A square b, ab, a square b square, a square c. Nothing is similar here. So this is the answer. Okay. This is the solution. Now let us see number b. Number b, c into c square plus c minus a square plus b square minus c square. Correct? Now let us solve this one. C into this, c into this. Okay, and it will be same. Here we have nothing to multiply with, right? Here we have nothing, no numbers, no variables, so it will be same. We just have to multiply this one: minus into plus, minus into plus, minus into minus. Clear? So we have here c into c square plus c into c. Now you open this bracket, so minus into plus minus a square, minus into plus minus b square, minus into minus plus c square. Okay. Now c into c square will give you c cube, c into c will give you c square, minus a square, minus b square, plus c square. Okay. Do we have anything similar here? We have something similar here, right? C square and c square. Here I have 1 times c square, here I have 1 times c square. We can add them. So c cube, c square plus c square will give you 2 times c square. Okay, minus a square minus b square. Okay, so this is our solution. Okay, now I have 2 questions, C and D, and if I ask my students to choose any one of them and the other one will be their homework, then I know definitely they would have chosen number C. Okay, and D they would have left for me. So according to that assumption, let me try to solve number D, and if you cannot do number C, you just inform me. I'll try to solve and give in our class 8 group. Okay, so let me solve number D. C you will try at home. If you cannot, you will inform me in the group. Number D. So we have 4x plus 11, 12x minus 11, bracket close, plus minus 8x square minus 8x minus 9. Don't think that this question is very tough because it's very long. The longer the question, the simpler the solution. Okay. So this is the only question. You see, it's very simple. Okay, here only you have to multiply 4 into this, 4 into that, 11 into this, 11 into that, and the remaining you just have to open this bracket and write as it is. Nothing to do here. Okay, we just have to solve this part. So let us solve this one. So 4 into this. Okay, 4x into 12x. Correct? 4 into this. Done. Now 4 into 11. So plus minus Now 4x into 11, done. So this and this and this done. Now this one into this one, okay. So plus into plus is your plus 11 into 12x plus into minus minus 11 into 11. So this is the first bracket, okay. Now this bracket and this bracket, what is the difference? We have to open these two brackets, we have to remove these two brackets, I mean to say, okay, and keep it in the bigger bracket. Plus, so this is minus 8x square minus 8x minus 9 plus into minus minus 8x square plus into minus minus 7x plus into plus plus 6. Now you understood or not? I am clear? Now 12 fours are 48 x into x square minus 11 fours are 44x plus 12 into 11. So we know that 12 tens are 120. So 120 plus 11 will give you how much? 131x minus 11 11s are 121. Correct? Please check. Yes. Now plus. Now can we do here anything? Can we do here anything? Please look carefully. We can do something. This one, 8x square minus and minus. We know minus and minus is plus. So 8 plus 8 is 16. But 8, both the 8 are same. So it will have a negative sign. So minus 16x square. Done. Next, minus 8x minus 7x. You can solve this two also because minus into minus is plus. Correct? So 8 plus 7 will give you 15. So minus 15x. Since 8 is bigger, so minus 15. Correct? Anything else? So this is done. This is also done. This is done. This is done. Now both the constant number minus into plus is a minus. So 9 minus 6 is a 3. 9 is bigger, so minus 3. Am I clear? Now solve this one. You better open both the brackets and we will solve it. So 48x square minus 44x plus 131x minus 121 plus into minus minus 16x square plus into minus minus 15x plus into minus minus 3. Now again you check. X square is there, right? So 48 minus 16 will give you how much? 32. Okay, 32x square. Done. Next, 44x, 131x, 15x. Okay. Now first you know what is your positive term. 131 is your positive, correct? 131 is your positive. Now 44 and 15 is your negative. So you have to subtract, right? So minus 44. So how much you will get? 11 minus 5 is your 7. Now this is 12. 12 minus 4 is your 8. Done. Now you subtract again 15 also. Now you subtract again 15x also from here. Okay. So 7 minus 5 2. 8 minus 1 7. Because 131 is bigger, so it will be always positive. It will be always positive. Okay. So we will have positive 72x. So all the x terms